At first it was a dream, the love of the mountains and the love of photography. And then I took the plunge with my trusted companion, my High Sierra backpack. Hi, my name is Julia, I'm 24 and I'm a French photographer. What I like about this backpack is that it is really comfortable to wear while hiking. The design is perfectly adapted to my shape. There is an adjustable shoulder harness and dual aluminum supports to fit the contours of your back. There's also an air channel system that keeps your back cool and dry. Aside from being comfortable, this backpack is also very practical. For longer adventures, you can include an internal hydration reservoir, and there are dual exit ports for tube. With 50 liters of internal space, this backpack can carry all I need for several days. There's even a special separate compartment for your sleeping bag. And for those unpredictably wet days, this rain cover protects my gear and especially my photo equipment. Of course, comfort is vital to make any long hike enjoyable. The hip belt attaches around the waist, keeping the pack snug on your body. These adjustable load lifters serve to center the weight of the pack. And finally, the sternum straps allow you to get the perfect fit. You'll forget the pack is even there. Anyhow, I still have some great shots to find. See you later!